Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be taking a look at another opportunity that might help you make some money online, put some pesos in your pockets. This is Instant Azon, and what it does, it allows you to create multiple streams of income in just seconds. Not only will this help you create niche Amazon stores for yourself to use with the Amazon Associates program or the Amazon Affiliate Network, and that's become even more profitable. If you sign up for Amazon's influencer program, you do have the potential to get up to 12% commissions instead of the typical 4%. So you can use this Instant Azon niche website builder program for yourself and your own business, but you also get resell rights. So I'm sure everybody's heard the phrase, why dig for gold? Just sell pickaxes and shovels. And kind of the thought process behind that is, back during the gold rush, a few people struck it rich going to mine for gold, but the people who always made money were the people selling supplies, selling pickaxes and shovels to those people who are mining for gold. So, have two revenue streams. Use this program, use this software, use these websites for yourself and your own Amazon affiliate business, and also sell these sites to other people. So how would you like to take your business to the next level by investing in developer rights to all 25 niche websites so you can develop as well as resell any of the sites that you create? Well, all you got to do is become a website developer and reseller. The income opportunities you have now with our 25 niche website packages are endless. You have the ability to create an unlimited number of sites for your own personal use. You really are only limited by your imagination. However, we know that ambitious marketers want to take things to the next level, and that's why with much deliberation, we have decided to offer a limited number of developer rights licenses for our 25 niche website package. This means you can create an unlimited number of websites for clients and also sell each site you create as many times as you wish. And there's big money to be made on this. If you don't believe me, go over to flippa.com. Flippa.com is a website. It's kind of like an eBay or an Amazon for people who are selling businesses and domains. Go check it out. You'll see all types of Shopify starter stores, all types of niche websites, affiliate sites that people have built. Between us, we have sold over 50,000 websites to the online marketplace, so we know how lucrative this business can be. The thing we haven't shared till now is most websites we sell are simple websites we sell over and over, time and time again. This is something that literally anybody can do. And like I said, just go to flippa.com or ebay.com, and you'll see thousands of simple starter sites for sale for $100 plus all day long. These sites cost you next to nothing to build. Again, you pay one time for access to these 25 templates, and you can sell them as many times as you want. There's definitely big money to be made, and here's some examples. You guys can also go over to flippa.com and check it out for yourself as well. Here's some listings from eBay. $500 for a unique gaming website. It doesn't even really look that great. $201 for an established, I think this is a vape store. $180 for a WordPress store, a WordPress classified. An online toy store going for $131. And this doesn't even factor in the money that can be earned selling personalized websites for clients. Once you become established, you can command prices that run into the thousands of dollars. Now, I'm not going to insult your intelligence by suggesting that you will be selling sites for thousands of dollars each right away, but it's not impossible to achieve, as I have built sites for clients that command that price. And a starter site setup secret, I'm going to reveal to you something that no one else talks about as a website developer and reseller. Selling website hosting. You guys probably notice all your favorite YouTubers, are they always telling you sign up for Bluehost, sign up for HostGator. There's big money in affiliate marketing for hosting, as well as actually becoming a hosting reseller yourself. There are a lot of savvy marketers out there selling websites on eBay, Flippa, and even Fiverr for low prices because they include web hosting as part of the initial deal. They may offer the first month of hosting for free, but after that trial ends, the client has to pay monthly to keep their site online. Add to this a support package where you monitor and provide help when required. You can easily command monthly fees of anywhere from $9.99 to $29. I would argue potentially even up to $100. This is the ultimate recurring income model, the ultimate, I don't know if I'd call it passive, but definitely the ultimate leverage business model. Even if you sold just one site per day and sold hosting and support for $9.99, after 6 months, you'd be bringing in $1,798 in recurring income, and it doesn't count income that you're earning from selling your websites. You can see the huge potential here, right? You don't have any skills, not a problem. They're going to show you how to do everything. In the members area, they're going to provide you with a full training on how to get websites online. This includes absolutely everything, no matter what skill level you're at, whether you're a veteran web designer or if you've never built a site before. You'll learn everything from scratch. totally from scratch. The more websites you create, the more you can sell. Remember, you can build websites in minutes with our unique website building tool that is built into all 25 niche websites. Just edit any one of the websites and simply change the content in a few minutes, and you'll have a huge portfolio of websites in no time. Wouldn't it be nice if you could create your own endless supply of starter websites that you can sell to clients or sell online or even use for yourself over and over again? And with little time and effort to build a real online business that you can be proud of, get ready to become a big-time website owner and have multiple websites generating online sales constantly. And we're so confident that you're going to love this product that they're willing to give you a completely no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. So give it a try. If it doesn't work for you, they'll give you your money back. And with a developer license to all these 25 professionally designed, done-for-you, niche-targeted websites, you have the ability to create an online empire that will generate income for life. Here's a preview of some of the sites. They have like a cooking site, a pet site, a DVD store, a DIY site where you can sell maybe stud finders and things like that. A dressing or apparel site. Beautiful, I'm guessing this is health and beauty, stationery, music, cameras, home decor. What else do we got? Fitness site, GPSs, apps and games, audiobooks. Audiobooks are a great money maker on the Amazon Associates program. Car parts. I actually just saw a great car parts dropshipping store the other day. A kids store, digital books, again, very, very profitable. Power Up Everything, I think that's an electronics store, sporting goods, movies, music, and games, apps, smartphone review, living a better lifestyle, it's probably health. Remember, you control absolutely everything in all these 25 websites, and Instant Azon has a limited time special offer for you. You can get developer and resell rights to these 25 targeted sites. So yes, guys, I'm ready to have my very own online business. I understand that sites are 100% customizable and making each site 100% unique. I understand that I have the rights to resell all 25 websites. I'll also receive an editable PSD header source file so you can create a nice header for yourself. It's going to give you 100% flexibility. You'll get updates for life. You're going to get complete step-by-step training videos showing you how to do everything we've talked about. And you've made a very good decision with your 100% ironclad money-back guarantee. There's really no way to lose here. And right now, this is only $47. This is created by John Thornhill and Dave Nicholson, two established guys in the affiliate marketing world and the digital marketing space. So I've actually purchased this in the past. The websites are a little bit basic, but I was talking to my buddy Jared, who's a copywriter, the other day, and he said ugly websites sell. He said, when you have an ugly website, and check out any copywriter's website, Dan Kennedy, Ben Still, these guys have ugly websites. Their email marketing is very simple. When there's not a lot of flash to a website or to the marketing, the content is the focus. And with affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates program, that's what you want to do. You don't want to have a bunch of flash in the pan stuff on the website. You want to highlight the products. You want to drive people to Amazon, because every person you drive to Amazon, within 24 hours, the next sale that they make, whether it's a product that you referred them to or a completely different product, you're going to get a commission on that. On the low end, 4%, potentially as much as 12%, and there's also special bounties and things like that you can go for. So could be an opportunity to make some money. Instant Azon, link in the description box below. If you guys have any questions about this program or affiliate marketing or the Amazon Associates program as a whole, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'd be happy to reply and get back to you. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and we'll catch you on the next video.